Hey guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Did you just run out of mayonnaise and you need some for a sandwich right away? I'll bet you didn't know it, but you can probably make it right at home. I'll bet you already have the ingredients. All you need is 1 egg, some cooking oil, some vinegar, and some salt. Watch this.
My God, what did you eat?
If you want, you can add a little more kick to it by using lemon juice instead of vinegar. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.